Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find Instagram accounts near you. If you're looking to connect with local users or discover content from your area, this quick guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. Finding nearby Instagram accounts is quite simple, and there are a couple of reliable ways to do it. First, log into your Instagram mobile app and head over to the Explore tab, which is represented by the magnifying glass icon. Once you're there, type the name of your city into the search bar at the top and hit enter. By default, Instagram will show results in the For You section. To see location-based results, switch to the Places section. Here you'll find a list of places matching your search. Tap on the name of your city from the list. You'll then see a map on the next screen, along with a collection of posts and reels tagged with your city as the location. To browse the local content, you can explore the top recent and reels sections on this page. When you find a post that interests you, tap on it to open it. Then, click on the username at the top of the post to visit that user's profile. From there, you can follow them or send a message if you want to connect. That's how you find Instagram accounts near you. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more social media tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.